In today's video, I will guide you on how to install Google Gemini on your laptop computer using Google Chrome. Naturally, there is no a particular way to install Google Gemini into your device, but I'll walk you through simple steps on how to achieve this. Use your Google Chrome and open a new tab like this. Then in the search bar, type in Gemini. Hit the enter button. Now that I've done that, make sure that you click on gemini.google.com. The first on the link, click on it. Once you click on it, you have yourself at this place. As you see that there's no a way to install this on your device, make sure you log into your email address because Gemini need to access your email address. Now come to these three dots here, click on it. Scroll down until you get to this option that says cast, save and share. Move just over your mouse on it. Then at this side you see this button that says install page as app. Then click on it. Once you click on it, you have it here like this. Then you can change this to anything that pleases you. So I want to write Gemini app. Then click on install button. Now once you click on install button, it comes out like this. You can see from now you can use this Gemini app and start doing whatever you want to do. Come to your desktop and see you have the Gemini app installed here. Double click on it to open it. Now that you've opened it, unlike your Google Chrome browser, you cannot use any extension here, but you can only use the Gemini app. And don't forget that you need to sign into your account before you can use this app. That's all guys on how to download and install Google Gemini on your device using your Chrome browser. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.